Hi students, happy October and welcome to week 7 in your online lifespan growth and development course. This week we are covering middle childhood, so moving on from early childhood entering into middle childhood. Let's take a look at what is in your module for the week. Here are your PowerPoint slides. You have your third journal. We're moving right along. There are only 4 total journals. So journal number 3, I'll get you closer to that magic 4th one that will be our last one, and a chapter 7 quiz for this week. So after last week of turning in your discussion question on bilingual education and the previous week with your Piaget experiments this week, other than the journal that's outside of the quiz, those are the only 2 assignments that you have for the week. So should hopefully ease you into October, ease you into talking about middle childhood, and please reach out if you have any questions. Have a great week, everybody.